Itu ria kieha nirigumeire thi ngima bururi wa Kenya na makiria sekta ya ugitiri ruhongini rwa Mbiraru thutha wa kurwa ni munene wa Mbiraru cia bururi Gen.Ogolla uria wiriga gukua mutino-ini wa ndege ya Mbiraru iria iriga kugwa mwena wa Elgyo Marakwet na gucungiriria gikuo kia Ogolla na Mbiraru agikenda Tariki 18 mweri wa ina mwaka-ini uyu Thirikari ikuingira mafuku-ini ma uririkano wa bururi akuona ni muthenya uria bururi worirwo ni munene wa Mbiraru ari wathanini. Nyimbo cia Guteithia Njamba ino ya bururi maitho ma atongoria a bururi maihoirwo ni kiha ithithi cia andu a nyumba na family maihoirwo ni maithori na ciuria nyingi Mbiraru cia bururi kionanio wendo wao kuri urumwe wao ni mbica iria iguthamakaga kiharo-ini kia Jeshi kia Ulinzi Complex Lang'ata mucii munene wa Nairobi guku umwe kwa umwe akirugama kugathiriria munene uyu wa Mbiraru ni urumwe wake wiruteri na wendo wake kuri bururi wa Kenya.
My father always alikuwa na mambo matatu kama wewe, not the same, but all his speeches were divided into three. Anyone who worked with him in DHQ, MAB, lab, wherever can attest that he always had a Bible with him. And I am hoping they're able to retrieve it from the accident. I'd want to keep it as a memento and for the rest of the family as well.
Hari ndumiriri cia family ya Ogolla ndumiriri ya Joel Omondi Ogolla ni hutirie ngoro cia aingi guku murwe akigathiriria wira wa ithe to ota munene wa Mbiraru indi gitugi kia family ino ya Ogolla Joel ayanire rugano ria unyihia wa ithe wiruti wake wira-ini na uria ikucia Mbiraru mari wira-ini cia muhutagia na njira nene.
He understood that his position was temporary and it would always end. Leading up to his death, he almost knew that his time was up, despite having very many plans for the military and for his family. But he spoke in a certain tone that would suggest that, my son, I won't always be here, and you will need to take care of my wife and my other children.
Na kwa guku igogona ria muthia ria mathiko rigitanyo gatafanio muthi wa rucio tariki 21 mucini gwake Elgyo Songa guku ni county ya Siaya munene wa Mbiraru atanyitwo gugathikwo hatari na ithanduku kuringana na wendi wake ari hamwe na guthikwo hari mathaa 72 undu ria wonanitie gwinyihia wa njamba ino ya bururi arerireirie mbere yake na family ndigatangwo ni gikuo giake. Huruka CDF Gen.Ogolla.